So, I want to cover this in a video because this is being talked about a lot. And as of recently, it's been pretty much all over the news revolved around foldable cell phones. Apple is developing a foldable clamshell iPhone. And this is something I feel like we have talked about for years now. And newsflash, all the sources are saying this won't come out till 2025. It might not even come out. There's a chance it comes out. What if they do it? Will they have problems? What will the There's all this hoopla. And no surprising at all, they're not going to be coming out with this type of foldable cell phone, right? Because, obvious reasons. Price tag, manufacturing costs, and all that kind of stuff. And no, I'm not saying that they're going to come out with this type of foldable cell phone either. They're going with this bad boy right here. Foldable clamshell cell phone. There's also rumors of them coming out with a foldable iPad, most likely going to be very similar to the iPad Mini 6 here, where it's going to look just like this, except when it does go ahead and come out, it's going to fold. So if you want to compare it real fast to the Pixel Fold, it would be a tad bit bigger of a display, and again, it would fold. It would have a foldable display as well, so that will be interesting to see if they do come out with something like that. But again, like I said, guys, if this does come out, it's not going to come out until 25, probably honestly 2026. It will probably come out if it does, and again, I cannot stress enough the aspect of if it does, okay? Meaning, I don't know 100% if it's going to, and to be honest, I highly doubt it will actually end up coming out. But if it does, it will be in, again, 2026. It will probably be a price tag range of around $1,200, $1,500, $1,700. Probably the same price tag that we see of most foldable phones that come out nowadays. And it would just be a mess. I think it would be a mess for the aspect of it's going to be behind most of the foldable, flippable phones nowadays. I think it's going to be a tad bit behind, kind of like how the Google Pixel Fold was. But it's going to be crazy expensive. And it's going to be one of those things where if you want to pick it up because it's that Apple premium product. But if you don't, then you have other options. And I think it's going to cause a lot of hoopla for the fact that it's Apple, but I don't think it's going to be that crazy special. And the reason why is because if this does come out in 2026, right, we're already at a point with foldable cell phones right now, flippable foldable cell phones, where we're almost at 100% of what they can do / how powerful they can get, right? I mean, if you look at, I've said this many times, this phone right here, the Z Flip 5, this is almost the perfect flippable cell phone possible. I don't know how much more they can increase this. They're going to add the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in it, right? That's going to be an upgrade. But what else are they going to upgrade? Maybe make the insides durable display a little bit more durable. It's already waterproof. It already has NFC. It has everything else. They're going to add a bigger battery to this. There's nothing really else. I know that they are also talking about making the outside display a little bit bigger, maybe the phone a little bit bigger, make it a little bit more outside screen real estate. But again, like I said, there's not much more than just simply making the phone bigger that you're going to be able to do with these foldable cell phones. This is 5 generations of this cell phone, and we're about to hit 6 in July. So it gets to a point where by the time this Apple iPhone comes out, we're going to have the Galaxy Z Flip 7. And that's a first-gen product, which I'm sure it's going to be good because it's Apple, but how is it going to compare to the Z Flip 7? How is it going to be better than the Z Flip 7? It's probably not going to be, right? So, while yes, I understand the hype and the craze about, Apple might be coming out with their cell phone, with a foldable cell phone, guys, get ready. Listen, at the end of the day, it's going to just be another flippable cell phone. And I don't know if they would even come out with it, with how much it would cost for them to do, and whether or not they would have a market. I mean, I believe they would have a market 100%. All the Apple fanboys would go after it. And then coming back to that point, all of, the foldable phone market would probably slant and see, hey, listen, let's see how good it is. Maybe it'll be good, maybe it'll be bad, right? But at the same time, I don't think it's going to be that special. I really don't. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.